We're demonstrating our USB-C PTT earpiece on Microsoft Teams on iPhone. So on the newer Microsoft Teams, we now support the USB-C PTT earpiece. After you have inserted it for the first time, go to the setup. And do the setup configuration, auto test. Test. Okay. Press start. Wait for the countdown timer to be completed. Press the button one time quickly. It should say push to talk mode. Okay. And then now you can return to test your PTT. Test 1, 2, 3. For Microsoft Teams, you have to speak at a normal distance away from your mouth. Let me show you again. So this is in push to talk mode. So press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.